All right, amiga. Here we have.
All right, amiga. Here we have the sunscreen, and then we have the ointments. We have the skincare thingies, amigas. You know how we do, amigas. And we have the Garnier skincare, skin active, amigas. You know, amiga.
Bata klaar? Are you done?
Bata klaar?
He's excited. Okay, amiga. Here we.
Yeah.
Benny, get out of here. Get out of here.
Get out of here. Get out of here.
Okay, amiga. Here we have.
Okay.
Shut up.
Bata klaar.
Okay, dankie. Hi, Benny, please. Tata.
Love you.
Hey amiga, what is up and welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Jennyfer Ross and I'm back at it again with yet another video. Today's video is going to be a pack with me and get ready with me for vacation. Get vacation ready with me because I leave for vacation in about 2 days. Yes, I am super excited. If you didn't already know, we're going to Curaçao. That is the island where I was born, and it's gonna be Benny's first time going. We should have went like a long time ago, but we all know what happened in 2020. So yeah, for that reason we get to go now. I am so excited for the pina coladas, for the beach, to show my boyfriend around, show him where I was born, and hopefully a lot of things that I do make sense after this trip to him, you know, because he is from Suriname. He brought me to Suriname before and I understand his culture way better since I visited. So I hope that he has the same with me now after this trip. So yeah, super excited. One thing that I will be bringing on my trip is jewelry because I love jewelry for every day and my vacation is no different. So I want to thank Ana Luisa so much for partnering with me on this video. I am super grateful to be working with you guys. You guys were the first ones that I ever worked with on my channel, so you will always carry a special place in my heart. So thank you, Ana Luisa. If you have never heard of Ana Luisa before, they are a jewelry company based in New York and they make high quality jewelry for very affordable prices. Their prices start at $39 and they range up to higher end pieces, so that makes them very inclusive. They have something for everyone. Another thing that I like about them is that they are carbon neutral from their products up until the packaging and materials, all of that. So that's something that is very important. They care about the planet and I can rock anything I want from them without feeling like I'm contributing to a lot of waste. Their pieces are unique. Everything that I have from them makes me feel so elegant, so put together, so feminine and empowered, which is a great feeling if I may say so. For this time I chose this beautiful 2 bracelets. I still have room in my collection to grow when it comes to my bracelets, so I chose these 2 flowery bracelets, and I also chose the matching earring, this one, the floral one, but this one on the front is also from Ana Luisa, and same goes for all the jewelry that I'm wearing today. Everything is from Ana Luisa and I basically rock something from them every single day. But since my amigas live all over the world, I wanted to inform you that you can still order from Ana Luisa because they ship worldwide, so you can match with me if you're interested. Mother's Day is coming up, so if you want to get something for your mom or for yourself, because self-love is important, it is always important to pamper yourself. Do not wait for anyone else to pamper you. Pamper yourself, baby girl, because why not? But this is the time because they have a special deal going on their website, because right now they have a buy one get the second one 40% off deal, and that is great because they are already affordable and this makes it even more affordable. So click the link in my description box. It is the link all the way up to the top of the description box and it will direct you directly to the sales. There's nothing else you have to do. The discount will be applied at checkout, so that is great. Go buy yourself something nice, get something for your mom. Thank you so much, Ana Luisa. Once again, I appreciate you so much. My gratitude is, I can't even express my gratitude. That's how grateful I am for you to trust in me and believe in me and to keep working with me. So thank you. I love you and I rock your pieces all the time. So I'm a fan. I stan. yeah. Anyways, amiga, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and we're gonna go ahead and get into it.
You anymore, spending all this time trying to get you out my mind. Oh, it feels so good to take you off the pedestal. I don't know what I was thinking, let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for your lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh yeah, yeah, that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh yeah, I'm going back to the table, I know they saving us for the stable.
I am not even gonna lie to you, it's now quite a few hours later, but I haven't started packing yet. And that is because I was waiting for a package for Benny that I could not miss, because the package is really, really crucial. Then I decided, because I was waiting, I decided to order pizza, and then they took an hour and a half to deliver the pizza, way too long. And now they delivered my order incomplete. So now I have to wait for them again, for them to deliver my other stuff. So I'm a little bit annoyed, but it's okay. Maybe I'm just hungry too. So I'm gonna just eat. They had a deal. It's 3 pizzas for 19 euros. So I decided to go with that. They're small though. Anyways, I'm gonna have some pizza while I wait. And then after that, I'm really gonna start packing. Today is really the day that I need to pack. But bon appetit, we got some pizza. I was really craving pizza. I hope it doesn't take him that long to deliver the rest of my stuff, because this is bloody annoying. Okay, amiga, here we got the suitcases. In this one, I have all the outfits that I pre-selected. And in this pink suitcase, I have like other summer outfits that were just in our basement. But I think there's still like a lot of cute stuff in here. So I want to go through this and see whatever the hell I can find. And then, you know, try to assemble our outfits. Like I already told you, amiga, I have the black suitcase in which I already have like pre-selected items. And the pink suitcase is just my suitcase that is always in my garage box, and that I like to keep items in for when it's summer. So when it's winter, we always put them back in the garage, and then when it's summer, I put like winter items in my suitcase, and then the suitcase goes down to the basement. I hope you understand what I mean. But therefore, there are cute things in here that I know I might want to bring. So I'm gonna go through everything. I want to do like more colorful items and not too much black, white, beige, like the neutrals. I want to keep those to a minimum. So we're gonna try to make it as colorful as possible. First thing up is this top that is an absolute yes. I mean, look at the color. Come on, we need to do this. We need to bring this one. I'm gonna be trying on everything and then also show you. Like, it's gonna be fun, okay? Then we also have this jumpsuit that is an absolute yes, because look at the print, look at the color. I mean, this is so cute. This just has to come with me. So we're gonna put that aside too. Then we have this yellow jumpsuit. I'm not really sure of it, but I do love the color and the print. But this has been just really old. I haven't worn it that much, but I might. I'm gonna put it as an option. And then here we have Like this dress, I'm 100% sure that I want to bring it because it's so cute. I also have it in black, and that's already in the other suitcase. So definitely want to bring that one. What else do we got? We have this little set, which I'm not really sure of if I should bring it, but it is really cute and it is pretty new. I only worn this thing one time or 2 times, I think. One time in Su and one time in the Netherlands, and that was it. Then what else do we got in here? Maybe we also need to make some donations. This is really, really cute, but not for this trip. I'm gonna just keep this for summer. The red color is really fun, but I'm just gonna keep it for summer. This pant though, this pant is so cute. It's from Zara. So cute. And I always wear it like with a simple white top, but I think I want to bring it. It's like very airy, very flowy. I like it, so I think I'm gonna put that aside and see if I can find a top for it. Or I want to pack everything as a set and not like put all random things in my suitcase, because I just know that when I'm on vacation it's just gonna stress me out. Then this dress is so cute. I had it for so many years and it never had like a proper outing. It even still has like the card on it. I just tried it on for a lookbook once and never worn it. But it's this pink velvet dress. I might bring this actually because this could be cute for when I have my meet and greet. Yeah, I think that would be cute. Or another night when we go out for dinner. I think that would be cute. And what else do we have? We have this skirt. This was cute, but I've worn it in Su. Yeah, I'm gonna save this for Belgium. That's fine. What do we have here? This peplum dress. Do you remember when peplum used to be very in? Yeah, cute, but I'm gonna save that. I think I have another black dress in there. That is enough. And I mean, I'm only going for 10 days, so it should be fine. And this peplum top is also pretty cute, but not gonna bring that. No. What else do we have here? Oh, this is cute. This is cute. This needs to be my little black dress. Like I have like the same dress as the pink one, but then from another material. So I think I'm gonna bring this one as my little black dress. You know, you gotta have one of those. You never know, you know? What else do we have? Well, this is really cute, but I'm not really sure if I'm gonna wear this. It's really cute though. By the way, I only will be trying on the things that I'm sure that I'm gonna bring, because otherwise it's gonna be too long and we don't want that. This is a cute dress too. I really like this one, but not for Curaçao. What else do we have? Oh, I see more color in here. Oh my god, this dress! This is such a cute dress. It's from Zara, pink and really cute. I think we need to bring this one, no? Yeah, we're gonna bring this one. This is cute. Oh, this flowy dress. Oh god, this is cute. This can be so cute. Yes, I'm gonna put this one aside. But I don't know if I will be wearing this, to be very honest with ya. Okay, I'm gonna put it aside and try it on. And it has like its matching top, as you can see. So not sure yet if that's gonna be an option, but I'm gonna put it aside. This I also don't know. It could be cute, but where am I gonna wear this to? And I feel like this, because it's like so high up, it's gonna make me like feel hot. So I don't, and not hot in the hot way, but hot as in hot. Packing is so difficult, especially when you're just indecisive. I just don't know. I have so many options, too much. This is one of my faves. I love it. Look like a 3-year-old in it, but that's okay. Then I also have this one. This is a little bit more spicy, but I think I'm gonna give this one to my mother because she said that she doesn't have any bikinis. So I don't know. And that's just because my mom does not like to go to the beach, but she promised that she's gonna join us this time, at least 2 times. So I'm gonna bring this one just for her so that she can wear that. And then I've never worn it before, by the way, because I am not stepping into water where I can't see my toes. So You know, I haven't seen the beach in years, in 6 years or something. This one is so freaking sexy. I love it. I am obsessed with it. Yes. So this one is for myself. And then I also have like a classy white bikini. So this one is also, yes, this one my mom can have as well if she wants. But anyways, I'm gonna put these aside. And from these, I think I'm just gonna bring these 3 colors as well. The white one, the green one, and the red one. Okay, amiga, I finished packing for the most part. I showed you some of the things. Some of the things are also going to be a surprise, I guess. It's not like, you know, like it's a whole shebang or anything. They were just like very basic colors, and I feel like you're used to seeing me in those colors. So it wasn't really necessary for me to show you that. You will see it in the vlogs. Follow me. Make sure to turn on your post notifications if you want to keep up with the vlogs. You will see a lot in there with when it comes to the outfits and stuff. And if you want to know where anything is from, just let me know in the comments and I'll try to reply to you. But anyways, I have my laptop here. I think I'm gonna transfer all the things on my written list. Where did I even put my notebook? Oh no, I'm just so tired of myself. Oh, here it is. The drama. Yeah, here I have like a list that I wrote, but I feel like it's easier for me to have a digital list because it also with Apple it just transfers to my phone as well, so I can just like tick things off as I go. So I'm gonna transfer everything into a packing list on my computer, and it will automatically also transfer to my phone. You didn't say anything. Ik had gewoon zin in pizza. Als lunch.
Dus je kan gillen dat je geld van je dingen afgaat en dan zet je lunch te kopen.
Ik mag geen lunch kopen.
3 pizza's heb je nodig voor lunch?
Nee, maar er was een actie. Wat heb je van me gebracht?
Niets! Goedemiddag, Jennifer.
Goedemiddag, schat.
How are you?
I'm good.
I'm good.
Thank you.
Wie gesloopt?
Wie? Hey, Manny.
No, go get away.
No, come give me my kiss.
No, I ain't giving you no kiss.
Wow, how was work?
Work was good.
When it comes to packing your makeup, I recommend doing your makeup routine from beginning to end and put all the makeup items directly into your makeup bag. What I also like to do is empty my makeup bag and make sure that I have, like, I really start from scratch and only put things in the makeup bag that I actually use for my routine. And in this way, I don't overpack. I don't bring things that I wouldn't like use on a day-to-day basis. Because on this vacation, I'm gonna be going to a wedding, and even then, I think I'm just gonna rock my everyday makeup routine, but then just with like some lashes to spunk it up a little bit. But other than that, I won't be wearing so much makeup, so it was really crucial to me to just bring the things that I will be using.
Your heart, keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out, you stop caring about it. Don't let your head get in the way, can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try really hard, but sometimes you fall, yeah, sometimes you fall. Say I'm not sensitive, but I can sense if it's right for me. Don't let your head get in the way, can't be defined by your mistakes.
Hey amiga, it is now Saturday. I ended up not doing much yesterday after work. I was really tired, and Benny decided to take a nap in the room, and then I couldn't go in the room and pack, or I could, but then I would wake him up. I think you get the point. So today is serious. It is serious. We're being serious about this. Today we're gonna pack for real, for real. I also need to figure out my airport outfit, all of that, because after today it's only tomorrow left, and Monday we leave for the airport. It's Saturday as I'm filming this. This morning I got my nails done. I did this pink chrome color. It was basically the same color as I had before, but then I decided to do like the chrome powder on top and make it a little bit goldish, and I love it. Colors like this match everything anyways, so thought I would do that. Still do have to do my feet as well, but I'm gonna do that myself. But first, I really think it's important to finish up the packing situation. The first thing is 20 outfits. I think I have 20 outfits, maybe a little bit more than that, and I posted a little reels with some of the outfits, and everyone was super excited about it. So yeah, that made me really happy because I didn't really go shopping for this trip. I mostly use things that I already have, like pre-pandemic, you know, and they were just chilling in my basement. And when I took them out of the suitcase, I was like, oh my god, cool. Like a lot of things I still love, and it surprised me a little bit, but it shouldn't be surprising since I like those stuff at some point and I bought it, so it totally makes sense to me that I still like it. And I would say that my style is pretty timeless overall. Like I have like some floral prints here and there, but for the most part I like things that are just one color, and in that way I can just enjoy my stuff like more longer. I would say things with prints, they are fun and cool, but they're seasonal sometimes and they go out of fashion. I don't follow up with a lot of trends. Like I let a lot of trends pass me by. So yeah, that is that. But we're gonna stop rambling. We're gonna get started. I'm gonna grab my list. Let me grab my phone and see what we have to do. We're gonna get this done today. Alright, amiga, here we have...
Alright, amiga, here we have the sunscreen, and then we have the ointments, we have the skincare thingies, amigas. You know how we do, amigas. And we have the Garnier skincare, skin active, amigas. You know, amiga.
Bata klaar? Are you done?
Bata klaar?
He's excited. Are you done?
I'm just beginning. Okay, amiga?
Please be done.
Just beginning.
Okay, amiga, here we... Benny, get out of here. Get out of here.
Get out of here. Get out of here.
Okay, amiga, here we have...
Okay.
Shut up!
Dus dit is de winter, toch?
Ja, are you done?
Zwart is ook de winter.
Zwart is ook de winter.
Bata klaar.
Okay, dankie. Okay, amiga, here we have this. Get out of here. I have a night cream, a day cream. I have this oil from Kiehl's. It's their daily reviving concentrate. It really helps with glow, and I don't know, I love this shit for every day. I have my Mario Badescu spray that is gonna serve as my facial spray and also as my makeup setting spray for when I do makeup. Here I have my sunscreen. This is from Rituals, and it is the Ritual of Karma. And then I also have the Kiehl's Powerful Strength Line Reducing Concentrate. This is another serum. I have this eye roller from Origins for my under eyes. And then this one is another serum with hyaluronic acid in it, but it is the alpha arbutin. It has a few other things that are very good for you, so I have that one. And then I also have this Estee Lauder eye cream as well. I like this one, so yeah, putting that one to bring as well. And then I also have like a few masks that I will be bringing. Hi, Benny, please. You're really annoying.
Love you.
Here we have all the hair care that I'm gonna bring. In this little jar I have some Eco Styler gel. In this one, I have this product, but I don't want to bring too much heavy shit with me. So this will be enough to do my edges, I think. And then I have a Fructis banana hair food. This one is completely full. I'm gonna, take some of the weight off. I need to bring this because I need to be able to deep condition my hair after going in the sea, swimming in salt water, all of that. I need to bring that. And then I'm also gonna bring a full size of the curl enhancing smoothie. This, I need it. I just need this, okay? So I need to bring that. Then here, I have like some tools. This is just a toothbrush that I use for my edges. I have a little pointy comb. This raggedy ass brush, but trust me, it does the job fine. So I love it. 2 clips for when I'm washing my hair because it's just overwhelming. I have so much hair, so I need the clips to make my life easier. This one, I don't think I need this because I already have this one. So we're gonna put that one aside. Here I have my Denman brush, the brush for when you have curls, you need this. And then in this one, I have like a whole bunch of hair ties and stuff because I keep losing them. So I'm gonna bring that one as well. I also have like these 2 claw clips. But it's a little excessive to bring both, isn't it? I think I'm gonna go with the blue one. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go with this one. Also gonna bring a scrunchie and this. And my bonnet, still need it the next 2 nights. So yeah, hair care is now done. Okay, this is a very difficult part for me. And I know it's like luxury problems. What perfume do I bring? I made a collection of things that work very well with heat. These I really want to bring for sure. And this is my excuse for this one. This one is unisex, so Benny can use it as well. So that's my excuse for that one. But what do I bring? Do I bring like 5 pieces? Or just 4? I feel like it's a waste to not bring any of these, you know? Like, should I at least bring 1 more? Maybe this one? This one also smells very, very summery, so I'm not sure what to do. I'm not sure. I was able to make a decision. This is gonna be the lineup. So we have Tom Ford Metallique. We have Jo Malone, Mir, and Tonka. This is so good. So good. Fashionista recommended this to me and I am obsessed. This is one of my favorite scents now, together with this one. These are my all-time favorites. This one is just amazing when it's hot. It works super well with heat. It's a summer scent. It really is. I have the pocket size as well that I will be able to bring with me in my purse. And this one, the name already says it. Soleil Blanc is so fresh, so sexy, so seductive, and it works very well as a layering scent with this one too. I am obsessed, so I need to bring that one. And this one I am bringing as well, and that is the Viktor & Rolf Flower Bomb. I need to bring this one. And these unfortunately will have to go back onto my dresser, but they will have another occasion.
Como yo la vi solita, pues me pregunté qué pasa cuando me bailó cerquita. Eso fue descomunal. Dale, tra, tú sabes cómo es. Vamos a hacerlo, mami, contra la pared. No me dice nada y todo se le ve. El perreo no se acaba hasta las 3. Dale, tra, tú sabes cómo es. Vamos a hacerlo, mami, contra la pared. No me dice nada y todo se le ve.
Yeah, I think we have a problem here, don't we? This is crazy. What the fuck? Look how many sunglasses I have. Why do I have so many? Why? Primark, this is your fault. I think they're all from Primark, aren't they? I think so. Yeah, I think everything is from Primark. Like, look at this. Sunglasses, anyone? Because I'm just one person. Why do I have so many? Okay, Amiga, here I have all my jewelry from Ana Luisa that I'm going to be bringing, and I'm going to use these pouches to pack them. They are super handy and they keep your jewelry tangle free. So I love that about their jewelry. It comes packaged in this and it's super handy when you're traveling. So I made a little wall This thing I'm also going to be bringing, it's from Lovely's Balula. It's a little messy right now, but I have some more jewelry in here. I need to go through this and see. Oh, this is also from Ana Luisa. Love these. I'm going to bring those too. But in this I also have like some jewelry, very handy to organize. And Ana Luisa also has like these little boxes. You can check it on their website. But yeah, here's my other jewelry that I'm gonna be bringing. This is not from Ana Luisa. I like jewelry with like little beads and fun little colors. I really think it adds something fun to each outfit. I am obsessed with pearls, if you didn't already know. So lots of pearls and things that I'm also gonna be bringing. And here I have like some pieces from Maison de Bijoux that I also love and want to rock there while I'm on vacation. I'm gonna stick to this, I think. But I love a blend of meaningful jewelry, colorful like pearl beads, and I also love like dainty jewelry. That's definitely my day-to-day mix. And I love all the pieces from Ana Luisa because they just mix in so well with like the pearls, the beads, all those little things, you know? So yeah, that's that. A pastry. So I made quite some progress. My suitcase is, I would say, 90% done. I need to wash some makeup brushes to have everything clean to bring. So that's the only thing that I have to do. I think I'm gonna do that in a little bit later tonight. But I think we're getting to the end of the whole packing situation. I am so excited. I can't wait. I just can't wait. So I think I'm gonna take the rest of the day off, try to get my apartment together. I don't think I'm gonna film that. I was planning to, but I feel like this vlog is getting very, very long already. So I'm not gonna vlog myself doing that. So I want to thank you so much for watching. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, turn on the post notifications to be notified whenever I upload the vacation vlogs. And a special thank you goes out to Ana Luisa once again for partnering with me for this video. It is so much appreciated. Make sure to check out the link in my description box. It's all the way to the top and it will guide you to the discounts. You don't have to do anything extra. It will be added for you automatically. So yeah, make sure to check that out for Mother's Day, for yourself, whatever you want, or for somebody who would like it, you know. So yeah, this is your time. Buy one, get the second one 40% off. That is quite a good deal. So yeah, that's that. Thank you for watching, and the next video will be us going to the airport. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Bye amiga, see you soon.